In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a journal in Xero. Whether you're managing small business finances or overseeing a larger enterprise, mastering journal entries in Xero is an essential skill. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps, ensuring you have a seamless experience. First things first, head over to the Xero website by typing in www.xero.com into your browser. Once you've landed on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on it to sign into your Xero account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your Xero dashboard, a hub for all your accounting activities. Now, on the top menu bar, look for a tab labeled Accounting. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu brimming with your accounting options. Among these, you're on the lookout for manual journals. Spot it? Great! Click on Manual Journals to proceed to the next page. Here's where you'll begin crafting your new journal. Look around the interface until you find the option labeled Plus New Journal. Clicking this will bring up the journal entry template where you can start inputting your information. Once the template loads, you'll need to enter some essential details. Start by selecting the date for the journal. This will dictate which accounting period the journal affects. Then, consider adding a reference number or description to easily identify this journal in the future. Don't forget to compose a concise narration. This will serve as a brief description of the transaction, lending clarity to anyone reviewing your journal entries down the line. Now it's time to add your line items. For each entry, specify the account it relates to, whether it be sales, expenses, assets, or another category. Be sure to input the correct debit or credit amount for each line item. If applicable, you can also assign a tracking category, which helps in organizing and managing tracking across different departments or projects. Before wrapping up, it's crucial to ensure your journal balances. This means your total debits should equal your total credits. This balancing act is vital as it aligns with the foundation of double entry accounting. If everything balances out, you're nearly there. Lastly, once you've double-checked your entries and confirmed the journal is balanced, it's time to approve and post. By clicking the post button, you save the journal and it will immediately reflect in your accounting reports, ready for any analyses or audits, and there you have it. You've successfully created a journal in Xero. It's a process that embodies precision and detail, but with this guide, I hope it felt straightforward. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, happy accounting.